Hey guys, Coach Donnie here from Foundation Fitness Gym in Hertford. Just want to go over how to use the treadmills, how to set them up and use them correctly. All right, so when you step onto the treadmill, it's going to say press quick start or select program. You have a couple different options. The easiest way to get started is just to hit quick start and do the manual. All right, and then as you get used to it, you can select some of these other ones like fitness test or random hill or 5K loop or something like that, okay? But just to get started, you're gonna stand with some space between you and the bar. There's a big red button right here, and if you bump it with your belly or you hit it, it's gonna be the emergency stop. So we only wanna hit that if we have to. Hopefully you never have to, all right? We're gonna use good caution when we exercise, right? So we hit quick start, then you get a countdown. It's gonna say 3, 2, 1. And then nothing's going to happen. It's just going to move really slow because you're only going to be moving at 0.5 miles per hour. So you're going to press the button on the right with the horizontal arrow, which means to speed up. And you're going to move it up to your desired speed, whether you're warming up and you just want to walk at 2 miles an hour, 3 miles an hour, or you want to run. Okay? If you need to decrease the speed, press the minus sign to decrease the speed. Now, if you hold this button down, it will jump to 3 or 5 miles an hour. So try not to hit it real fast. Remember, electronics are sensitive. You just want to move it up one click at a time. Now, the other side, where you notice it's got a couple angles and a person running, that's for your incline. So if you hit those buttons, you hear the machine kick up a little bit because now it's on the incline. If you need to decrease the incline, once again, going to do a little slow, I'm going to decrease that incline all the way back down to start. If you need to turn your fan on, you're going to hit this button here at the top. You can turn that fan on, or if you need to turn it off, you can hit it 2 times to turn it back off. All right? There are some other options when you start. It's going to ask you to hit OK if you want to put in your age and your weight, and that's going to help you to track, how many calories you're burning more efficiently. It will give you a general calorie count depending on how far you run, and if you hold the handlebars while you're walking or jogging, probably just walking, because if you do it over 4 miles an hour, I believe it's going to tell you to let go of the handlebars. All right, but that'll give you a heart rate reading up here. All right, the last thing you need to be aware of is your heart rate zones over here, and this is very important because you don't want to overtrain. You don't want to get your heart rate too high. You don't want to pass out or get lightheaded if your blood sugar is low. All right, so if you look at your age, for example, well, don't worry about how old I am, but if I look at my age and I know I bring my finger up a little bit, I can see low intensity, heart healthy, endurance, or athletic conditioning. And what that means is, if you want to be in athletic conditioning, when you go to the left and you see, that's how high your heart rate should be. Don't go above that because you don't want to put too much stress on your heart. That means if I want to do low intensity or heart healthy, I'm just trying to get my cholesterol down, then I can do a little bit lower heart rate. If you want to know the math on that on your own, just subtract your age from the magic number of 220, and that's your max heart rate. You never want to go above that. So usually when you're jogging, you want to be about 60 to 70% of your maximum heart rate. Okay? So hypothetically, if you're 40, you say 220 minus 40 is 180. Okay? So 180 being the max. You don't want to go over 180. Now you say 60 to 70% of 180, and that's about where you want to be. So if you're holding on to those rails and you see that you're up too high, you're at 190, we need to back it down a little bit. Okay? If you guys have any questions about how to use a treadmill, please reach out to me or Miss Amy, and we'll be happy to help you out. Have a great day.